I want you to learn to do in your mind. What you have to do is you have to take your fingers. It's not blood donation. This is donation. What is that something? Something. But how do numbers take rest to attain nirvana? But in number system, the poor will donate to the rich. Real time, it will be very easy. Very easy. It's like a piece of cake. Subtractions. I'll go to subtractions. Two brothers or two sisters or brother and sister or sister and brother, whatever it is. Whenever someone argues with me, non-vegetarian or vegetarian, which is good, every small damn thing I'll take care of it. You have to pay 8 rupees. 8 rupees to the shopkeeper, but you have given 10 rupees note. That's why still people respect mathematics. They'll just snap off a finger. It will practice. This is not a fancy statement. This is your life. Hello winners, a warm welcome to your channel Study with Youth Officer. Today I welcome you to lecture 9. Okay, so in the last class I have told you regarding line method, right? I hope you have practiced the line method and it might have helped you to make your subtractions very easy, right? So today some more small details are left. I'll just finish it off so that additions and subtractions will be complete for you. Then we will move to multiplications in the next class. Okay, these are very important because till now you have been doing things with your pen, right? I want you to learn to do in your mind. Today how these calculations work in mind, I'll explain you. Please come. Before going there, I'll take some example. Let us take 8 and 6. If you try to add them, how do you do that? If you don't know, I already told you the combinations. 8, 6 gives you 14. If you don't know that combination, what you have to do is you have to take your fingers and then you have to calculate this. If you don't want to do this, then there is a way to do this. There is a two-way actually. I'll show you the both ways. Okay, 8, 6. There is this concept called donation. Either it's not blood donation. This is donation. Okay, so either 6 can donate something or 8 can donate something. What is that something? Something. What is that something? I always ask you, see, whenever you throw some stone into the sky, it comes back and comes to a rest, because everything in this universe needs a rest. But how do numbers take rest? Numbers take rest whenever it achieves ending with 0, okay, or mostly ending with 0 will be like rest, relaxed, peaceful. It's like a monk. This is the position they always try to attain. We should help them to attain such things so that we get the answers and they also get some rest, right? Let's help them to attain nirvana, right? In order to make this 8 nearby 0 is 10, so we have to make them 10. To make it 10, this has to donate 2. If it donated 2, it will become 4. Once it donated 2, this will become 10, right? 10 plus 4 is 14. Very easy. Cool. Now, in order to make 6 as 10, okay, it needs to donate 4. Then only this will, if it donates 4, then it will become 4. This combination is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Good. Very good. Chalo. Now, this is for additions. How do you do for higher numbers, like 2 distant numbers, right? Let us take some 48, okay, some 36. How do you add these numbers in your mind? There is two way actually, but either donation may come from this side or from this side, but donation won't be like this. Okay, this is a different kind of donation. But mostly, if it were me, okay, if it were me, then what I would consider is always I take the large number and I will try to add something from here. I need donation from the smaller number to the higher number. Usually what happens in human beings is the people who are rich, they start donating to the poor. But in number system, the poor will donate to the rich. That is the beauty of maths. And they make richer, so that automatically they will be combined with them, and there won't be no rich, no poor. Everything will become one result. Everyone is equal. Okay. This is the concept maths follow. Chalo, I'll show you what is that concept. Okay. Here what happens is, in order to make this number nirvana, means nearby number is either 40 or 30. If you want to donate, you will get reduced to the nearest number, that is nearest 0 is 30. In order to make this as 30, it has to donate 6. Then this will become 30. Now 48 plus 6, how do you add this? 48 plus 6. When you are adding 48 plus 6, how much 48 needs to become 0? Nearby 0 is 50, right? So it needs to donate 2 to this, then it will become 4. This is 50, okay? This is 454. I'm just showing you, but when you do in the real time, it will be very easy, very easy. It's like a piece of cake. Chalo. Now this is 54. And how much is left here? 30. 54 plus 30? 84. Because you need to add 50 and 30. 84 automatically will put, because there is a 0 here. 4 plus 0 will become 4. Okay. If you do calculations like normally, 8 plus 4 is 14. You take 1 carry. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 80. So answer is correct. I'll take one more example, 2-digit number only, then I'll show you. I'll not rub this, I'll not erase this. Okay, tell me an example. 59, some 23. If you want to add this, just go and add this 3 to this. Okay, only this 3 you add. How much it will become? 62. 1 if you give 60, 2 more 62. 62 plus here how much is there? 20 is there. 62 plus 20? 82. We will see the answer is 82 or not. Okay. 9 plus 3 is 12. 1. 5 plus 2 plus 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So what you have done, 82 is correct. It is a correct answer. Chalo. Hope you have done this 3-digit number. I'll take 2-digit number, we have finished. I'll take 3-digit number, because mostly in the exam, almost every time you do only 3-digit number. Let us take 432. We add some, how much we will add? 878 we add. How do I take? I already told you, I'll take the larger number, and I want donation from the poor people. Okay. In this condition, I don't take only unit digit. I'll take these 2 digits and directly try to add them. Okay. When I take this 32, I'll first give this 2 to this. This will become 880. After giving 2 to this, it will become 880. After that, I'll add 30. 30 means you no need to add 30. I already told you. 0 will always be there. You forget about 0. Okay. You have to add this. This will become 91. This is 910 till here. Okay. Here, after giving 32, you have only 400. Just add this 400 to 910. No need to add this 10. 10 always will be in the answer, because there are 2 zeros here. Okay. 900 plus 400 is 9 plus 4 is 1300. Let us see answer is correct or not. Okay. 432, 878. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 plus 1, 13. See. This is slowly, if you keep practicing, it will become very easy. I will take one more example for you. 673, 347. I will take, so I just go and add this 7, this will become 680, 680 plus 40, 720, 720 plus 300. How much? We will see answer is correct or not. Okay. 673. First I gave 7 to this, right? It became 680. 680 plus 40. Next 40 you have to add. 680 plus 40. It looks like 680 40, but you need not to do 40. You just need to do 68 plus 4, 72. After that you have to remember there is a 0. Okay. Now this is 720. Here 300 is there. No need to add 720 and 300. Just add 7 plus 3. This is 10. There are already 2 zeros and 20 is there. So directly you put 20. This is how you calculate in your brain additions. I'll do it in manual method. 3 plus 7 is 10, 1. 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 1. 6 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So answer is correct. Easy. Chalo. I'll explain you the additions. Please write each and every example I am giving it to you. Okay. Very, very, very important to you all. Now I'll go to subtractions. I'll go to subtractions. Easy. 9 minus 4. If you take 9 minus 4, how much is that? You need to know the combinations. What are the different combinations give you 9? 1 comma 8 gives you, 2 comma 7 gives you, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 5. These are the combinations, or 0 comma 9 also you can take. These are the combinations. Whenever you add, you get the result 9. But okay, this 4 comma 5 is giving you 9. 4 comma 5 is giving you 9. Means if you subtract this 5 from this 9, okay, it will give you this 4. Or if you subtract 4 from this 9, then you get 5. So one of them if you go and subtract from the result, then you will get the other thing. This is the logic. That's why I told you additions and subtractions are almost like two brothers or two sisters, or brother and sister, or sister and brother, whatever it is. What is the difference between addition and subtraction? You know, the symbols are plus and minus, right? Whenever someone argues with me, non-vegetarian or vegetarian, which is good, I say I am both. Why? Because I am non-vegetarian. I have non-veg in this word and I have veg also in this word. Maybe in a funny way, but I eat both. For me, everything is good. When people doesn't eat non-veg, they don't know the taste of non-veg. They only know the taste of veg. But when I am a non-vegetarian, I eat veg and non-veg both. So similarly, if you consider both of them, they don't know the taste of additions, because you can do, I already explained you in line method, you can use additions to do subtractions also. That is the beauty with additions. That's why both are same only, but addition has one extra line. That is their advantage. Okay. But I represent this kind of symbols for you to remember. Okay, it may look funny, but I want you to remember. Okay, till here so far so good. Now we'll do subtractions. Some more examples we will take and we'll do the subtractions. Okay, example is 9. Already we have taken one digit. I'll take two digit number. 19 will take, 79 will take, 79 and then 23. Whenever you want to do this kind of subtraction, how it goes, whenever somebody gives me this kind of subtraction in my brain, what I do is 79 I will remember, then 23 is there. First I remove 3 from 79. How much is this? 76. Then I subtract 20 from that. That is 56. This is how things run in my brain. This is what exactly, if you do it in the manual, whether we will get this answer or not, we will see. Come here. 9 minus 3 is 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. Chalo, answer is correct. But why should you do it in brain? Sir, manual method looks so easy. It may look so easy, but it is time consuming. Why? Because you have to write 79, you have to write 29, then you have to write this, you have to write 56, then you have to verify. But in brain runs very fast. 79 minus 23, the moment you see, like when you see on the screen, this is, if you remove 3 from this, 76 minus 20, 56, answer, chalo, done. Then if you write, and meanwhile you didn't have a good pen, and meanwhile there is like 79, it stops here, then you write, check the pen, then a lot of time waste. I don't want to do that. I am very particular in exam. Every small damn thing I'll take care of it. I don't want anything to come between me and job. That's how I prepared. I also want you to prepare in the same way. Okay, so right now one more example I'll tell you. 70, no, this time we'll take 80. 81 minus 29. How do you do this kind of sums? Because here unit digit is smaller than the unit digit of the subtracting number. How do you do this? Hey, you can remove. How to remove, how to subtract 9 from any number? How to do that? Whenever you want to subtract 9 from any number, okay, example 81 minus 9 you want to do. What is the answer? How do you get? First you remove 10 from that. Any number, if you want to remove 9, first you remove 10 from that. Okay, answer is 71. Then you realize that no need to remove 10. You just need to remove 9 only. You just removed extra 1. So you just add that 1 to this. Answer is 72. You have 81 rupees cash. You have to pay him 9 rupees, but you paid him 10 rupees. What the shopkeeper will do, he will give you the extra 1 rupee back. Extra 1 rupee to take. Same way. You paid 10 rupees to shopkeeper instead of 9 because you have 10 rupees note. You paid him. You are left with 71 rupees. Then he will give you change, 1 rupee change. So he gave you 1 rupee change. That's how it will become. Whenever you want to remove any number, let us take 73. You wanna subtract 9. What you do? First you subtract 10 from this. Then you just add 1 to that. Very easy, right? Very easy. Very easy process. You should know this kind of thing. And you have to know 8 also. If you want to subtract 8 from any number, first you have to subtract 10 from that. Okay, it will become 52. Then you have to add 2 to that, 54. Why you should do? Because you have to pay 8 rupees. 8 rupees to the shopkeeper, but you have given 10 rupees note. It will be easy for him. Still you will be left with 52 rupees, right? You are left with 52 rupees. Then he will give you 2 rupees change. This is the reality with mathematics. This is how you have to learn mathematics. Mathematics is not the number game. There is a real life in that. This is a live class. This has life. Maths has life. That's why still people respect mathematics. You also should respect it. Then you get the job. For what? Paisa. You get paisa. Paisa is in what? Numbers. That's what is ruling this whole world. Okay. This is how you have to do. Now, if you remove 9 from 81, how do you do? 10 you remove, 71 just add 1. 72. 72. Then you have to subtract 20 from 72. How much is this? 52. We will see whether the same comes or not. 81, 29. Whether the same answer comes or not. You just give a you borrow from here. 1 will borrow from 8. Then it will become 7. This 1 will become 10 plus 1, 11. Right? 11 minus 9 is 2. 7 minus 5 is 52. We got the answer, right? The way we are doing additions, the similar way we do subtractions also. Easy. Now I'll explain you three-digit number. How to do three-digit number? Some 573, then 346. If you want to do this, what would you do? Previously, we have first subtracted the unit digit. Now, directly you can subtract first two digits. How do you do that first? Okay, first when you want to do 46, you forget about 3, okay, in the brain. 300 will be remaining there, no problem. Okay, first what would you do is, first you remove 6 from this. 6 means first you remove this 3, then it will become 570. 3 more is there. Okay, see, I'll show you how this happens in the brain. Careful, be careful here. 573 is there. You want to subtract 6. What would you do? There is 70, 570. This is relaxing, this is taking rest. 3 is extra. Okay, you have 6. First you give minus 3 here. You give minus 3 and it will become 0 here. Then you have minus 3 with you. Okay, minus 6 will be got from minus 3, right? 1 minus 3 you donate and it will become 0. You are left with one more 3. Just remove 3 from this. How it will become? 567. Okay. Now what you have to do is, again 40 is there. If you remove 40 from this, it will become 527. Now how much you have to remove? Now you have 300. Remove 300 from this. This is what happens in your brain. I'm saying 227. We will see answer will be 227 or not. Okay, 3 can't subtract 6, so it has to borrow. It has borrowed from here. It has given 10 plus 3. It will become 6. This has become 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay, 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. We also got 227. They also got 227. Because I have explained, it may look very lengthy because I have explained, but brain won't explain. They'll just snap of a finger, it will explain, it will do the sums. I'll take one more example, subtractions, and then we'll move into next concept. What will happen in three-digit number? Give me a number. 673, 269. Okay, what happens directly? If you want to subtract 9 from this will become directly 73 will become 64. If you directly remove, okay, it will become 664. You have to remove 60 more. 664 minus 60 is, in your brain, 604. Then you have to remove 200 from this. This is 404. We will see whether the answer is 404 or not. Now it has to borrow from here, right? This will become 6. It has donated 1. Then this will become 10 plus 3. This is 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. That's it. Easy. You have to calculate subtractions in your brain. You have to calculate additions in your brain to save some time. Otherwise, exam will become very, very, very difficult for you. Okay, you learn this initial stage, practice. That's it. Okay, I hope you are comfortable with additions and subtractions. Now I'll tell you some more some more operations on positive and negative numbers. First operation, positive plus positive. Please write this very carefully in your notes. If you do anything mistake, then you are gone for a toss. Positive plus negative. Third one is negative plus positive. Positive. Fourth one is negative plus negative. How do you get the answer here? Okay. I want to tell one more thing. Should I tell you? Okay, I'll tell one more. Positive minus negative. Okay, we already used this concept in the line method. I'll just explain you right now. I didn't explain you, but still it's easy, but I'll explain you right now. Okay, whenever you want to know this kind of thing, you have to take different examples. Okay, first you have to take this one bigger number, this one smaller number. For every example you take two numbers, then you practice always. Okay, I'll show you how to take examples. First I'll take example 1 and example 2 here. Then accordingly, no, example 1 will take example 2 because we have to write the answer also. Example 2 here, example 1, and we will write the answer here. Okay. Example 1 is I want first big number, then this is smaller number I'll take. Okay, example, any small example, 9 plus 2, answer is 11. Second example, I'll take this one smaller number, this one bigger number. I'll take 3 plus 6, 9. So both of them gave positive result, so we write positive. Positive, right? Now positive plus negative. Positive plus, same example, I'll just give minus 2 here. Same example, I'll take 3 minus, I'll give here. Minus 6 I'll take here. Okay, example, if you subtract, you have 9 rupees and you have to pay 2 rupees. If you pay, you will be left with 7 rupees in your wallet. You have only 3 rupees, but your loan is more, means answer will get minus answer. Whenever you want to subtract, what did I tell you? First you write the larger number, smaller number, then to the answer you give larger number sign. This is minus 3. That means sometimes it is coming positive, sometimes it is coming negative. So we cannot say. Cannot say. It may be positive or negative. Here also negative plus positive. First we will take a larger number here, that means minus 9 I will take, then I will add 2 here. Okay, here minus 3 I will take, I will add 6. This example, whenever you want to subtract larger number with a smaller number, answer will be the larger number. Okay, 9 minus 2 is 7. Here larger number is 6, answer will have positive. Okay, 6 minus 3 is 3. So sometimes it is coming positive, sometimes it is coming negative. Oh, here also we can't say. Maybe positive or negative also. You have to be very careful with this. Negative plus negative. Negative is minus 9. One more negative is minus 2. So you have 9 rupees loan, 2 rupees loan. Total you have 11 rupees loan. In this example, I will put minus here. Minus 3 minus 6. You have 3 rupees loan, 6 rupees loan. Total you have 9 rupees loan. Both are giving negative numbers. So this is answer is negative. Here positive minus negative. Positive is I will take 9 minus negative number is I will take minus 2. Here in this example 3 minus 6 I will take. I will tell you in the multiplication, negative into negative is positive. This bracket means it is into two negatives. Negative into negative is positive. So this is 9 plus 2. Negative into negative positive. 3 plus 6. This is 11. This is 9 plus symbols. So answer will be positive always. Hope these are very clear with you. Please note down every example and you take some more example and verify by yourself. Okay? So far so good? Okay. Chalo. What is the difference between additions and subtractions? Okay. In addition, there will be a plus b, b plus a. Whether it is equal to or not, we have to verify. In subtractions, a minus b and b minus a, we have to verify. Even one case it is failed completely. Okay. I'll take an example. 3 plus 4. How much is this? 7, right? B plus a. 4 plus 3. 4 here, 3 here. 4 plus 3 is 7. So both are equal, right? So equal. I will take the same example here. A minus, I consider B 4 as B. Okay. Here B is 4 minus A as 3. 3 minus 4 is, answer is larger number. What is the sign of the larger number? Minus. 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So here minus 1, here 1. So they both are not equal. In additions they are equal. In subtractions they are not equal. You please note down this. Okay. You have to take examples. At least if it failed at one example, go on for a toss. Or you can take one more example also. I'll take, it is not proved here, right? One more example I'll take. 3. I'll take b as some negative number. Minus 5 I will take. Okay. Here b is minus 5. Minus a is 3, right? Minus into minus plus I told you. 3 plus 5. This is minus 5 minus 3. 3 rupees you have, 5 rupees you have, total you have 8 rupees. You have 5 rupees loan, 3 rupees loan, total you have 8 rupees loan. They are not equal. 8 is not equal to minus 8. So they are not equal. Please note it down. Very, very, very important. Sometimes you will just write here and there and you will forget it. Okay. Please note it down. Now I will explain you how to add new numbers on the either side. If there is 16 equal to 16, do you all agree? Good. 16 equal to 16. If you add 4 this side and one more 4 this side, still answer is correct only? Correct. But if I add 3 this side and 4 this side, still they are equal? Not equal. Why? 4 plus 16 is 20. 16 plus 4 is 20. They are both are equal, right? If I add only 3 this side, this will become 19. This will become 20. So they are not equal. So when equation will be equal, you have to add same amount of numbers. Sir, every time should we add 4 only? Can we add something else? You can add something else. I'll show you what you can add. Different form, but the result should be same. First of all, if you take 16 equal to 16, if you are planning to add 4 this side, you have to, if you added 6 here, but you have to add 4 only, right? But you added 6, you can subtract 2 from this. This both will give you how much? 4 only. It may look different numbers you might have taken, but both result will become same. We will see whether it is correct or not. 4 plus 16 is 20. Here 16 plus 6 is 22. Minus 2. 22 minus 2 is 20. That means whatever you add on the both sides, the weight will be same. Whether you add positive or negative, end result should be same on the both sides. Okay. I'll take this one more step. Shall I take? Now I am planning to add. People will tell you that if you have 2 minus this side, if you bring this side, it will become positive. I'll show you how it will become positive. Okay. I'll write that equation, what people say. 2 is negative this side, if you bring this side positive. Okay. 4 plus 16, if it comes this side, 2 is positive. That side what is left? 16 plus 6. Okay. One more step is, you can take this also that side. This that side if you take, 16 plus 2 is 16 plus 6. This is positive this side, if it goes that side, they say it is negative. Answer is correct or not, how the answer will be like this, I will show you right now. Okay. This is the step we have. To get this as an answer, I will add 2 on the both sides. I already told you, if you add the same weight on the both sides, answer will not change. Now this is 2 positive, 2 negative, answer will be 0 here. What is left? 2 plus 4 plus 16 equal to 16 plus 6. Good. This is the answer we want, right? That's why they say if it is negative this side, it comes this side, it will become positive. Now they want 4 to go that side. What will I do? 2 plus 4 plus 16. I will take minus 4 this side. I will take minus 4 this side. If you take same weight on the both sides, value will not change. I will show you the example. 6 is equal to 6, right? If I subtract 4 from this, answer will be 2 equal to 2 only. Nothing will change. Okay. Similarly, here I will take minus 4 on the both sides, right? Now what I will do is 4 minus 4. If you have 4 rupees cash, you have 4 rupees loan. If you pay it off, it will become 0. Now what you are left with? 2 plus 16 is equal to 16 plus 6 minus 4. Got it? This is what we wanted. We got it, right? That means if it is positive on one side, if it goes to the other side, it will become negative. You should remember this point thoroughly. Okay. Please make a proper note of this example. They are very, very important. Each and every point note, every dot I put is very important to you. That's where your job lies. Okay. I will not say any trash here. I am not here to say trash to you. I came here to tell you the beautiful secrets. Okay. To fulfill your dreams. This is not a fancy statement. This is your life. Okay. Thank you so much. Happy learning and have a nice day.